Welcome to TPS Education. In this video we are going to see how to add tables in HTML. Okay, so now let's create a new page called table.html. Okay, so here we'll include the boilerplate. Yes, and title will change it as table in HTML. Okay, yes, here we'll open with a live server. As here you can see table in HTML. Okay, so how to create a table? So as you all of you know that in the tables we have columns and rows. Okay, so this horizontal we'll call it as rows, and this vertical we'll call it as columns. Okay, first we have to create the rows and columns. After that we have to give the words inside that word, rows and columns. Okay, so first what we'll do is we'll write table tag. Okay, we'll write the table tag. Inside the table tag, first we'll create our first row. So the command for the row is tr. So tr stands for table row. Now we have created the first row. In the first row, suppose we have to add 3 columns. So the command to add column is td. Okay, so td is the command to add column. So in the first column, suppose we have to give name. Okay, and we'll create the second column in the same row. So here we are creating second column in the same row. Here you can see tr is first row, so the second column we'll write it as age. Okay, and in the third column we'll write it as address. Okay, so now we'll save it, and here you can see the live server. So this is first row. In the first row, name is the first column, age is the second column, address is the third column. Okay, and now we'll come for the second row. So this completes this tr, and this tr completes the first row. Okay, now here we'll create the second row. Second row again we'll write it as tr. Tr stands for table row. Here, so this is first column, first row, first column. This is second row, first column, second row, first column. Suppose we'll write Suresh. Okay, so so here the second column is age. Age here we'll write it as 22. Okay, and in the third column address we'll write it as Bangalore. Okay, now we'll save it, and here you can see so the name is Suresh, age is 22, and address is Bangalore. So this is the second row. So this is how we'll create table in HTML. We'll add rows and columns to create HTML. So suppose we want to add another name and his age and his place also. So for that what we'll do, again we'll create the third row. So third row is tr for next row. So this is third row. So in the third row, the first column we'll give it as Anil. Okay, Anil. After that, his age we'll give it as 24, and he is from Delhi. Okay, so now we'll save it, and here you can see the name is Anil, age is 24, address is Delhi. Okay, so here you can observe name, age, address. These are the headings, right? So these are the names, age and address, but here the name, age, address, these are the heading. So how to give heading in table? So we can give heading in the table. For that we'll use th command. Th stands for table heading, th tag. Okay, so here instead of td, here we'll write it as th. Instead of td we'll write it as th. Okay, th stands for table head. Table head is for giving headings of the table. Okay, th. So now here we'll save it, and here you can see, so here you can see it has changed to heading, name, age, place. Okay, so we can add border to this table. So for that, inside the table we'll give style we have already used to give color for the text. So style is border, we will give 1 pixel solid black. So 1 pixel solid black, this is how we'll give border. These things we'll learn in CSS, so we'll make a separate tutorial for CSS also. So here you can see we have added border for the table, border for our table. Okay, so here we can add border for our first row also. For that, in the tr you have to give the same thing, style border 1px solid black. So we'll save it and refresh. So here, just a second. Oh, yes, here you can't give style for tr th, so you can give the that is by using internal CSS or external CSS. So CSS thing will learn later. So in the next so in the CSS tutorial we'll learn how to give CSS and all. So this is how we'll create table in HTML. We'll use table tag. Inside the table tag we'll create a separate rows. So this is first row, so this is the second row, so this is third row. So we'll create rows. Inside the rows we'll create columns. Okay, so this is how we'll create tables in the HTML. Okay, thank you.